struck. No words to describe. Juicy and succulent tandoori chicken. Yes, Licks and Bites presents the tastiest, juicy tandoori chicken with very simple and minimal ingredients right out of your home oven. Simple ingredients. We need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3/4 of a teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon rock salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon garam masala powder, 3 tablespoons cooking oil, 1/4 of a teaspoon black pepper, a generous pinch of red chili powder for the extra heat, 4 tablespoons of hung curd or thick yogurt, 2 tablespoons butter melted, few slices of lime and onion rings to garnish, and chicken, leg with thighs, 2 numbers. We need them cleaned and de-skinned. The pieces each should be of a thigh and leg as one together. You can tell your butcher to do this for you. We do get ready-made ones these days. Preparation time will take 5 to 10 minutes. Cooking time would be roughly 40 to 45 minutes. Making tandoori chicken could be a piece of cake. Constraints are provided. You got a good microwave oven with grill facility, and a few hours of real patience to let the marinade cast the spell of magic, allowing the juices to mix in and get absorbed well into the chicken. So what are we waiting for? Let the magic begin. Here we are making 2 pieces of tandoori chicken. First, slit the fleshy side of the chicken with a sharp knife with some medium deep cuts. This will enable our masalas to seep into the chicken deep to the bones. Further, it helps the chicken in cooking tender on the bone. For our glorious marinade, we shall combine the lemon juice for the tangy citrus note, ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri red chili powder for that deep red color and a mild chili flavor, salt to season, garam masala, and the most essential ingredient, or should I say the secret ingredient, the cooking oil, which will keep the chicken juicy from not letting it dry. And give a gentle massage to the chicken. Add in the black pepper and the red chili powder. Keep it covered for at least an hour. After an hour, add in the yogurt and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. I'm giving you the shortest time to marinate. The longer the better. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and check in our playlist too. Do not forget to press the bell button once you subscribe to get our new video notifications. If you guys are there on other social networks, follow us there too. Once you are done with allowing the magic work on the chicken, it's time to put it now in the oven. I'm using a microwave oven which has a grilling facility. Place the chicken in the upper rack of the oven for even heating. Set the oven to grill and cook for 15 minutes on one side first. Remove and turn aside. Now time to baste with some melted butter. You may use a brush to do it, but I'm a bit lazy today, so please excuse. But promise, the results are going to be amazing. So just follow my instructions. The butter adds to the flavor, giving a smoky note along with a great aroma to our tandoori chicken. We should repeat basting in regular intervals 2 to 3 times. One more last time again on other side and grill for another 10 minutes. It will be ready. An amazing, juicy, succulent tandoori chicken will be ready to be served. I'm not boasting. This tandoori chicken is excellent to match the taste of those tandoors of big restaurants. Join us for more recipes worthy of licks and bites. And to garnish our tandoori chicken, a sprig of mint, a few rings of onion, and a few slices of lemon. This is the juiciest chicken I have ever tasted, and I guarantee you will agree. See you soon. Until then, bye bye from Hafsa.